Hey guys, welcome back to the Android Kenya channel. Today we're going to look at this. This is the Oppo Reno3. The Reno3 was launched just the other day in March, and it's been available in Kenya since at least went on pre-order start of April, and been available ever since around the second week of April or thereabout. So this is going for 40,000 shillings as of the last time I checked. So let's go and see what you get for that in the box of this device, at least as per what I have here. So that was easy to get into. You have what I assume here to be documentation or some accessories. We'll see that in a bit. Here you have the device itself. Doesn't feel heavy, quite light. Then of course here you have your full camera arrangement, headlined by that 48 megapixel shooter. Should be a 44 megapixel camera on the front. You still get the notch that doesn't look so 2020, but there's a twist that Oppo has worked things around and made this 2020 like. So we'll see about that as we interact with the device further. Here comes your charging cable, USB Type-C for all that very fast charging. Remember this device, using the supplied accessories, you should be able to get 30 watt fast charging, which is more than you get normally on any other devices. And here is your headsets. Okay, they look nice. Here's a charging brick. Not so much going on there. So if you are to just take a moment and look at this, yes. So there it is, 48 megapixel quad camera with 20 times zoom, and then a 44 megapixel ultra night selfie camera, and then that can help you take up to 180 megapixel images. Then this screen here, 6.4 inches AMOLED screen, of course Netflix HD certified, and then you have Oppo's proprietary VOOC flash charge 3.0. Yes, inside here you have a battery cell that is over 4,000 milliamp hours, should be 4,020 something if I'm not wrong, to give you all that juice. And of course down here is where you have your micro USB port, then USB Type-C, your speakers should be capable of calibrate for certified for Dolby Atmos, and up here it's very clean except for the presence of a microphone. So yeah, this is the Oppo Reno3. So let's move this wrapping. So yeah, that is all you get in the box of the Oppo Reno3. Charging brick, your earphones, your USB-C cable, and we are leaving this behind. So you have your SIM ejection tool here. Of course, they were sure to include this is a case. So you have your case here, and then documentation. This is a safety guide, and then is your standard quick guide. And yes, so that is all that you get here in the box of the Oppo Reno3. Remember, this is all going for 40,000 shillings. So if this is your kind of device, you can go grab it. At least out of the box you are getting a model with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.